Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my completed review of Red Riding Hood by Lynn, which is a 56 by 76 round diamond painting with 2 AB colors. I did this painting for my Winter with DAC contest, which I participated in. And I finished it within 3 weeks, which is actually the fastest I've ever finished a diamond painting. So as you can see, this is quite a colorful diamond painting. You can see there is a beautiful cape in beautiful different shades of red. Her skirt is black and brown, and her hair is beautiful colors of green and blue. And you can quite clearly see the detail, especially if you look from a distance like the camera does. Overall, I think it was pretty good quality. I think the diamonds were good. I didn't have any shortages. However, there was one diamond color which I nearly ran out of, which is this color. Yeah, it's 894. And as you can see, there are only 2 left in the pot. So I had hopes that they would have provided me with a little bit more, but it was just enough. Then for the rest of them, as you can see, they're all quite full. And I have no shortages, so that is quite nice. Regarding drill quality, they were pretty good. I barely had any trash, and if I had any trash, they were usually like little bits. Barely any misshapen drills. Some that were a little bit too small, but as I said, I had plenty of other drills left. So all in all, I am very satisfied with how this result turned out. As this is quite a big picture, I realized that you cannot see the bottom of the diamond painting. Which includes, of course, the beautiful wolves. So let me just fold it over for you, so you can see. So this is the bottom of the diamond painting. 2 beautiful wolves with heart-shaped collars. And again, beautiful colors as well. And the detail is quite stunning. So I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer so we can look at the finished result more up close, and I can show you the AB drills on the canvas. I've brought you in quite a bit closer, and as you can see, diamonds are super shiny, especially if I move it like this. They are so shiny. So the first AB color is this green one. And I know it doesn't capture it fully with this lighting. And the other AB drill is on this side, which is the blue one, and you can see it right here. But if you look up close, there are some beautiful drills on there, and some dog/cat hairs, as I can see right there. But that's what you get if you have too many pets living at home. This was my completed review of Diamond Art Club's Red Riding Hood from the artist Lynn. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, and comment down below what you think of this painting. But for now, that's all, and have a nice day. Bye!